Homemade colon cleansing smoothies benefits and recipes. Papaya can help in cleaning your body and get rid of the bloated, stagnant, and bulgy feeling. It is rich in antioxidants and has natural laxative properties. Papaya also contains enzymes which help in balancing stomach acid for you to enjoy healthy digestion. Banana, on the other hand, is rich in potassium which will help in regulating your blood pressure level, and polyphenol, the antioxidant, detoxify the body. The combination of papaya and banana will help in cleansing the body naturally. Spinach broccoli smoothie? Broccoli has a miraculous effect. Apart from helping with your colon cleanse, it will also help you to maintain a healthy liver. It is packed with important nutrients which help with cleansing. Being a soluble fiber, it helps in promoting regularity. It also maintains healthy bacteria in your intestines. Moreover, it has antioxidants which cleanses your colon naturally. Spinach works to help your colon and the whole digestive system. Combine it with broccoli for maximum effect. Celery, ginger, parsley, apple, cucumber. Celery serves as a powerful colon cleanser and detoxifier. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties which will keep you from feeling bloated. Parsley, too, is a great detoxifier and acts as a diuretic, flushing the kidney and purifying the blood. It has vitamin A, C, antioxidants, and iron. Apple is an excellent way to detoxify and clean your liver. Being high in fiber, it maintains a healthy digestive system. Cucumber eases inflammation and is great for detoxifying. When all these ingredients are combined, it serves as a great colon cleansing drink. Pineapple, cucumber, carrot, celery. Pineapple improves your digestive system and combats body infections. Carrots, on the other hand, speeds up the cleansing process. Flaxseed is typically used for relieving constipation. The smoothie pineapple, cucumber, carrot, celery, spinach, and flaxseed smoothie will not only cleanse your colon, but will also improve your digestive system and promote weight loss. Mango, kiwi, strawberries, romaine lettuce. The fiber that is present in mango helps with the process of digestion by breaking down protein. The smoothie prepared from strawberries, mango, kiwi, and romaine lettuce has beta-carotenes which can accelerate the cleansing process. With this, you can start your morning just in the right manner. The smoothie is packed with vitamin C, protein, fiber, and calcium. Apart from offering several health benefits, this smoothie is also quite delicious. When to have colon cleanse drink? In order to maintain a healthy colon, you need to make sure that you have this drink every day. It is better to have it just before you have your morning breakfast. Before you start with a colon cleanse, you should always talk to your doctor even if all these drinks contain natural ingredients. Also, when you opt for colon cleanse, you need to be aware of the probable side effects like weakness, diarrhea, and if required, seek medical care. Keep in mind that these are safe when not overdone. If you liked this video, share it with others and subscribe to the channel.